Hi everyone, my name is Maddie and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button down below. So I haven't done this for a while, but it's a planner video and I'm just going to go through my planner and show you what I have inside it. And I'm also going to show you some new planner items I have recently purchased. So for those of you who aren't aware, this is the Louis Vuitton Large Agenda. And this is in the Damier Ebene print. I absolutely love it. I also have this planner in the PM, the petite size, but I really like this one for everyday use. This planner does fit A5 size inserts. All right, let me go ahead and open it. All right, so as you can see, I have a couple of cute planner clips right here. A lot of these I get from Sugar and Ivy, and all the brands that I mention in this video I will link down below so you can see it. All of my cards right here are from Cloth and Paper. This is from Cloth and Paper, but let me just show you a few things I have inside. I have some stickers from the Planner Spot. These ones are credit card, balloons for birthdays, laptop for work, and I also have hearts for special events like anniversaries, stuff like that. And then these are also mine for work, and all of these, like I said, are from the Planner Spot. Today I did get some new stickers from them as well. Let me show you. So these ones are the mini dots. I absolutely love them. And compared to the regular size dots, I actually like the mini size better because my planner, I feel like sometimes it gets cluttered with stickers, so I like how these are smaller. And then these ones are the mini size of the credit cards. So if you take a look and you can compare, these are smaller. And like I said, I like the smaller ones, especially for when I have a lot going on. I normally put these in my planner for payday, so these are necessary. And then these ones I got for work, and they just say day off, so on days when I'm not working, I can put it in my planner. And these are all the stickers I have. I have more stickers, but they're in a different binder. And if you want to see my sticker binder, let me know. And then I also have this new planner card that the Planner Spot got me. I might switch it out because I'm currently using this one. And I like it, but I love coffee too. Should I keep this one or should I switch? Let me know. Let me know what you think. Okay, next. This is a half sheet and it says morning mindset. It says what is the big picture for today? Who am I looking forward to and seeing and talking to? What project will I work on today to be proud and be a part of? What healthy choices can I make to my body today? What value will I add to my colleagues or my team today? And what will I do if I'm faced with a problem today? And I really like this because I can read it in the morning and really think about how my day is going to be. I got this from Cloth and Paper. This is a cute dashboard I found on Etsy. I can't remember the name, but I will link it below. I love how it says Vogue and there's a croissant. She has another one. It's black and white and it's like a luxury theme. I have that one too, but I thought this was really pretty for summer. I really like it. This is my setup for my planner cards. J Adore Authenticity. This one is a Japanese word. And then I have my planner cards in here. And I love these because I can just peel these off and put them in my planner. But it helps me remember to clean my house. And I really like these. Next, I just have a tab divider. Here I have my inbox, and I just have plain sticky notes in case I need to jot down something and just stick it. This is a calendar for the year, and in the back I also have a dashboard from the planner spot, digital declutter from cloth and paper, and then I have another dashboard. These tabs up here, July through December, I got from cloth and paper, same with the today dashboard. So as you can see, I have everything laid out for the month. Everything is written in. I can make my notes. I have a cute little charm right here, and it's actually a purse. I absolutely love it. I found this on Etsy. I seem to find all of my cute stuff on Etsy, and I like to support small businesses if I can. This way I can just help other people within the planner community. But so I like to organize my planners, as you can see, by the month, and I usually decorate it with cute stickers. So let me flip to back here. And what I love about cloth and paper is they let you write out your goals, important dates, bills, to-do list, and then you have your monthly spread. Cloth and paper, they do have their 2023 inserts up, so if you want to buy those ahead of time, you can. This is another fun dashboard. It's just full of stickers I've gathered within the past couple years. This side is Pokemon. This is another planner clip I got from Sugar and Ivy. It's for summer because it's an ice cream. Every season I like to change these out to match fall, winter, summer, whatever season it is. And then I just have some blank paper back here. And then here, this is another tab. Oh, and I forgot to show you right here, I have a slip pocket. I have just some contact information in there. And then, like I said, this tab. But coffee first. I love this. And I think I got this from the Planner Press along with this coffee dashboard I got from the Planner Press. This is a marble insert I found on Etsy. Half sheets. And then I have the Planner Spot stickers, a planner card. These, it says call, complete, check-in, deadline, and priority. I got this from cloth and paper. And then let me show you this planner card. Let's see. Wake up early, hydrate, work hard, be ambitious, do what you love what you do. And I got that from the Planner Press. Absolutely love it. Here I got another inbox. So this section is mostly for hobbies and work related stuff. So I do have two inboxes here. Another dashboard from the Planner Spot. I have a world clock and then also another dashboard. So let me show you this side. The schedule, list, projects, finances, goals, and miscellaneous. I absolutely love it. It helps me stay organized, especially for work. So here I have schedule inserts that go over priorities, note, schedule, to do. Love these. But on this side, I have my contacts, and I opened up my list part of the dividers. I'm covering this for privacy, but here I just have a contacts page of where I can keep addresses, phone numbers, stuff like that. I normally put everything in my phone, but just in case I don't have my phone with me, I am able to look up people's information that I need to contact. All right, this side, as you can see, is another divider full of stickers. Here I have a wish list. This is everything I want to purchase. I label this as like daily items. So these are normally items that are like $200 and under. And then over here, I have all my luxury purchases. As you can see, the majority of it is from Louis Vuitton. But this is where I can keep track of everything that I want or something that I do need that is a little bit more pricey and that I need to budget for. Normally with my expenses, I save up for everything in cash. That way when I put it on my credit card and I rack up my points, I can just pay it off immediately. And that way I don't have an outstanding balance. And that's how I purchase my luxury items. This next part is projects. And this is another meeting note. So it says priority, notes, and then follow up. And I love this layout because if I have meetings and I need to take a lot of notes, I can write them all down here, and then after the meeting I can go over priorities and my follow-up. Next I have this layout of notes, and I love because I can do bullets right here, more notes, and then just follow up or last minute tasks that I need to do for my work. Here in this next one, this is still under the projects tab, but I do have recipes because I love cooking. And so anytime I'm not near my cookbook and I need to find a recipe, I can just write it down here. Here is finance tab. And I got these from Cloth and Paper, and it says monthly expenses, and you can just lay everything out. Here on this next tab is year and goals. As you can see, I have another planner clip, a bow. It's super cute. And I like how with this, I did this a while ago. I'm no longer in school. I'm trying to find new goal sheets from Cloth and Paper, but they seem to be out of stock. But I like these because you can narrow down your goals. And then they have reflection pages, and you can really go back and reflect on, what your goals are. And then back here is miscellaneous, and I just have extra notepad paper. And then on the back, I just have this little divider, so then it keeps my papers from like flipping or bending the way I don't want them to. All right, so in this back pocket, I have my Zumba cards that I give out to people. And then back here, I have stamps because I feel like every time I'm out and I need a stamp, I never have one, so now I do. And then here I have just a thank you card. I had these custom made, and they're just blank. I can link the Etsy shop below where you can buy them. But I really like having a blank card with me. So then if I need to write a letter or something, I can. My current highlighter I'm using is this one from Tombow. And I think it's number 242. It's just like a pretty beige color. And then this pen I got from Cloth and Paper. I'll link it below. I don't know the name or anything, so I'll just link it. But it works perfectly for me. I bought a couple of these because I love it so much. But no, they've never died. I've never had issues with them. But yeah, this is my planner. I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you want to see more planner videos and how I organize everything. All right, thank you. Bye.